Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany, and in today's video I am super excited. I am partnering with Walmart today to share a fun, relaxing, activewear, loungewear haul with you. They have some beautiful items that are not only just comfortable to wear, but also look really stylish if you need to go out with your family, run to the store, run some errands, take your kids out for the day. It is officially summer break, so I am looking for loungewear that I can wear around the house, that I can also just throw on some sandals, grab my bag, and head out to get some things done. So if you're here for it, let's go ahead and get started. You guys know that I love Walmart fashion. Not only do they look really great, the clothes quality is fantastic, but also they're super affordable, which is why I am thrilled to be bringing you another haul. This, like I said, is going to focus on loungewear and activewear. A lot of you have asked me, what are you wearing when you're working out? And I will tell you that 100% of my workout clothes come from Walmart. They are easy to get. Every time I go in the store, I just kind of walk through the clothing section. I take a look at what they have. I always find that their clothes are true to size. So I know that right now I'm currently in a large. So when I grab something from the activewear line or somewhere in that area, I know that I can grab a large and it's going to fit comfortably. Also, if they don't have my size in store, I love using the Walmart app because I can just scan the SKU or the tag, and I can pull it up on the app and I can order it in my size. I'm a Walmart Plus member, so I don't pay for shipping, but everything comes to me within 2 to 3 days. So super easy for me to find something, even if it's not in store. And every Walmart store is different. So do not snooze shopping walmart.com or shopping on their app, because my current store that I have right down the street doesn't carry Scoop, also doesn't carry free assembly. And those are two of my absolute favorite lines from Walmart. They're newer lines. They have really nice clothes, good quality. They also don't carry Jessica Simpson, which are all things that I can buy online. And a couple of things I have today are from Scoop and free assembly, and they're great quality. And again, I'm able to order in my true size. They're also super easy to do returns. So if I'm unsure if I'm a large or a medium in something, I'll order both and then just take back the size that doesn't fit. Or I also have been known to, if I love it that much, I'll keep both sizes because eventually the medium will fit. So, do with that what you will, but it is really nice to be able to just grab what I need and know that, it's easy for me to take the things that don't fit back and exchange them for other things. All of that said, let's go ahead and get into the clothes. Okay, the first thing we're starting with today is this adorable outfit that is probably my favorite out of everything I'm going to show you today. I feel put together and ridiculously comfortable. So I'm going to start with these pants. These are from Scoop. These are the scuba knit pocket pant in the jogger, and they are, I can't even begin to describe to you this material. A couple of weeks ago, I did an Old Navy haul where I talked to you about a quarter zip that I picked up. It's their bouncy fleece. That is the closest thing I can describe these two. They are unbelievably soft. They are so breathable, and they're so ridiculously comfortable, and I think they are insanely flattering. So I love a jogger. I feel like having that, little bit of detail at the ankle, like just pulling them in, really pulls the pant together so that they don't look sloppy. They've got a great tie, which I really like, and the pockets are nice and deep. The pocket is all here. And then this top is from Athletic Works. Oh, by the way, these pants are $22. Right now, though, I just looked on the website and they are $14.98. I'm going to go back and buy these in other colors, although the black I think are fantastic. They go with anything, but they are so comfortable. The t-shirt is from Athletic Works. This is their butter core short sleeve tee, and that is the perfect name for it because it literally is butter, you guys. It is so soft, so unbelievably soft, and it is moisture wicking. So if you're going to exercise in this or you're going to wear it on a hot day, like today is a super hot day, this is going to pull that moisture away from your body. I like the sleeves. I like where the hem is on the arm. I feel like it makes my shoulders look really small. And I like that. I like, when my shoulders look like they're small, because I have a big head. So, but So this t-shirt, you guys, is $7.98. I'm going to go back and get it in white and black because I think that that's good to have. They also have it in a pink, which I think would be really cute. But this is so comfortable. Literally, I feel like I would, if I was a nurse or something, I would wear this to work, you know what I mean? Or if I had like an active job where I was walking around all the time, I'd wear this to work out. I have it, just paired with my Hoka sneakers, and I would just wear this around my house to get stuff done all day. You know what I mean? So very comfortable. As a matter of fact, in about an hour and a half, I have to leave because I am having that skin cancer cut out of my leg. And so I'm going to wear this because this seems wildly appropriate to wear to an appointment like that. So absolutely love this whole outfit. Probably a little bit more appropriate for a day like today when it's like 100 degrees are these scuba shorts. These are also from Scoop. These are those same scuba pocket pants, but in shorts. And they have this really great hem detail right here that comes down that makes them look a little bit nicer. That quality is unreal. You can see that little hem. I just have it with that same t-shirt right now and my Hokas, but so incredibly comfortable, very, very flattering. I could wear these to work out. I could wear these to run errands. And they're that same like fleecy, bouncy material. I don't even know. It's like I said, it's called scuba. And I could see that because it kind of feels like maybe a scuba suit. I don't know. It's just so comfortable and buttery. I cannot describe it. You have to feel it for yourself to understand. But I love the little drawstring, and these are unbelievably comfortable. These are in a large. They're $14. I probably could have sized down a little bit, but I like the length of them because my thighs are kind of big, and they devour shorts like it's going out of style. So definitely need them to have a little bit more room, but unbelievably comfortable. And I could literally live in these all summer long. Okay, moving right along in the comfortable activewear that can also be worn as not activewear. I want to start with the shorts. These are also from that Athletic Works Buttercore line. These are the same shorts, same material as the t-shirt. Unbelievably comfortable. They feel like pajamas, like you could literally sleep in these. I am wearing a large, which is 12-14, again with my Hokas. And then the top is a free assembly cropped box tee, and I love this. This would be so cute with a pair of jeans as well. It's got this cute little detail right here on the side, but just a cute little, like I said, cropped tee. It's not really cropped, like it's not gonna, show your tummy, but the shorts have this really nice wide elastic waistband, so you could do a little front tuck. I just think a little front tuck, to me, it just looks a little bit more put together, if you will. Totally unnecessary with this type of top because it's not long, but I just feel like, it gives you a little bit more of like a put together look. I could throw this on and go run errands, not a big deal, but I could also throw this on and go for a walk outside, do my Pilates workouts, you know what I mean? I don't go to a gym currently. I am toying with the idea of going to the YMCA, but I don't currently go to a gym, but I could still, put this on and be very, very comfortable, but also lounge in these shorts. I could sleep in these shorts. Unbelievably comfortable and very, very affordable. The shorts are $7.98 and the shirt is $8. So there you go. You got a super cute workout outfit, but also then run all your errands and you're coming in less than $20. Can't beat it. I also just wanted to make my point about the little cropped tee with jeans. So here it is with my Old Navy. These are like the wide leg something, I can't remember. It's like Old Navy's equivalent of the mom jean from American Eagle, but here is that cute little cropped boxy tee with a pair of jeans. Super cute, super simple, easy to wear. Put this on with, cute little crossbody and you are ready to go for the day. Like super, super simple. And it looks cute with activewear, loungewear, or pair of jeans. I have recently started talking to you guys about my newfound love for Pilates, and this is 100% what I wear when I do a Pilates workout. So if you know anything about Pilates, you are doing very slow, precise movements. It's very similar to like yoga in that way. It is a hardcore workout. I am still learning, but I love, love, love it. And this is exactly the type of outfit that I like to wear. I always love to wear a legging, like some kind of tighter pant on the bottom, so that I can actually like get down on the ground, do the movements, and not feel like my clothes are getting in the way. And then I also like to wear a little bit more of like a fitted shirt. And a lot of times halfway through the workout, like my shirt comes off and I'm just in my sports bra, just going to be honest. But these leggings, these are new. These are from Athletic Works. These are their ruched legging. They're cropped, and I don't know if you can see that detail, but they have a little rouging right here on the leg. Super, super cute. Very subtle. But I like that they're cropped, you know what I mean? Which is great, like I said, for Pilates. Here's all my Pilates gear down here. That's what I use. But, and then the top is another one of those cropped boxy tees, which I think, again, I like the way it makes my shoulders look. And it's got that little detail on the side. And this is just super comfortable. It fits really nicely. And I think it's going to look, really nice and clean and put together when I am exercising. So this is what it looks like from the back. They're completely not see-through. So you don't have to worry when you're bent over, if you're doing classes, if you're doing your Pilates in a class, you don't have to worry that like anybody's going to see anything when you're bent over because you can't. So Pilates is done usually barefoot or with socks. I have like Pilates socks that I use, so that's why I don't have any shoes on. But again, this is one of those boxy cropped tees. Throw on a pair of jeans or a cute pair of denim shorts and you're good to go for the day. You could even go out like this if you needed to. If I threw on some sandals and my crossbody and ran to the store and, whatever, this looks perfectly fine. But these tees are amazing. These are so comfortable and I love exactly where they fall, like right there at the waist. I have a shorter torso, so I just feel like this looks, like it fits me better. I like where the sleeves fall. Like I said, a little bit of a drop because it's a boxy tee. The dropped shoulder makes my shoulders look really nice. I just all around top, like quality, love it, everything, love the way it fits. The pants are $14.98. The top is $8. There you go. You're coming in at less than $25 with a great outfit that is so versatile. You can wear it with anything and work out in, go run your errands, do whatever you want, and look and feel really put together. Okay. This next item that I am wanting to show you is this adorable Scoop baby tee. I showed this in maybe a Sunday reset or a day in the life, but I showed it to you in white and I had to go back and get it in black because it just fits so nicely. I have it paired right now with a pair of wide leg jeans from American Eagle. And I just have my bum bag on. This is exactly how I would go out, lunch with a friend, running errands, whatever. I feel like this is so cute. These shirts are so comfortable. They're like a Skims dupe, you guys. They are a really buttery, soft material. They are form-fitting, you know what I mean? They fit your body really, really nicely. I love the tiny little sleeve. That's like a big thing for me, is the tiny little sleeve. And I just like how it like hugs your curves. Sometimes when you are a thicker gal or mid-size-ish like me, you might feel inclined to wear clothes that are a little bit baggier, right? Because you want to hide yourself or whatever. But I have found that when you wear clothes that actually fit your body appropriately, you look your size instead of looking bigger than you really are. And so this is one of those tees where I feel like it does that job. I feel like it showcases your body as it should be, as it is, instead of looking, like a tent. You could tuck this in very, very easily and have it look like a bodysuit. I have a really short torso, so where my pants come up, I feel like it doesn't look as good tucked in. If this was a flowy shirt, I would do a little front tuck, but I just feel like this is so cute, so put together, and I love it. I love this tee, you guys. It's $9. It's $9, which to me is so worth it and so comfortable. And it reminds me, it's like a 90s tee. It just reminds me of like, and I grew up in the 90s. I was born in 83. So just reminds me of like a baby tee I would have worn, you know, in the 90s. Love it. Love it. Love it. Okay, I'm throwing in one last top. This is not active wear or a lounge wear. This is actually called the Time and True Date Night Top. But you guys, is this not unbelievably flattering? Probably my favorite item I've ever purchased from Walmart ever. It is this square neck top that has these like triangle sleeves. The back comes all the way up, but it's got these like triangle sleeves in the front that almost give it the illusion of a halter. The top, like I said, is square, which I find to be so incredibly flattering. In my mind, it just kind of elevates the top. And then the best part is this bottom part has all this ruching. I don't know if you can see that on here, but it has all this ruching. It is snug. It is form-fitting. Sorry, I just put my finger over the camera. Form-fitting with all of this ruching in the front and in the back. So it's incredibly flattering. I have it. Oh my gosh. I don't know what the heck I was just filming because I'm looking in the mirror and not in the camera, but I have it paired with my favorite pair of Walmart jeans. These are like an acid wash jean that I absolutely adore. And I have it also paired with my favorite wedges. I love to wear these out. They're super cute. And in my mind, they just kind of elevate things, take it from, you know, everyday wear to going out. But this is such a flattering top, you guys. So a lot of you ask me when I wear these square neck shirts, like, what do I do about my bra? So I just wear a bra that has a really like wide set strap. So it's really, really far out there. So it's still there. You can't see it. I also like how high this comes up. I have a lot of this right here that I wish I could get rid of, but it's there nonetheless. And so that comes up and covers that, which I really, really like. You could pull it down a little bit more, show a little bit more, you know, cleavage if you're going out with your man or your significant other, your partner, whatever, and look great. But I can see why this is called the date night top. And I absolutely love, love, love this top. Like I said, probably my favorite thing I've ever purchased from Walmart ever, ever, ever. And you guys, it's $11.98. Like it's $11 and it's cotton. So it's like extra breathable and very, very comfortable. $11.98 for this top. I would buy this a million times over. It's so cute, so flattering, and it's called the date night top for a reason. I told Danny I'm ready to go out. You better take me out on a date because I'm dressed and ready to go. Okay, my friends, that's going to do it for this Walmart haul. I hope that you enjoyed. I will have everything linked for you down in the description box below. You can also find all of this information on my Like to Know, which will also be linked down below. Make sure you're following me on Like to Know. I post lots and lots of outfit inspirations on there, so you can definitely check those out. And thank you again to Walmart for partnering with me in today's video. I am so thrilled. I absolutely love this date night top. Like I cannot even tell you, this shoulder situation is so flattering, and I feel just ready to go out. I feel like Danny needs to take me out for dinner tonight. It doesn't matter that it's a random Tuesday. So thank you again for watching. Subscribe if you aren't already. It's free to subscribe to my channel. You can hit the bell and get notified every time I post new videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, my friends.